long-standing 15-year partnership with Rolls-Royce is incredibly important to us here at the University of Bristol. We are applying our research to real-world challenges, and that partnership allows us to make real impact.
We chose to partner with the University of Bristol for a number of reasons. Firstly, because they're a world-class university, consistently ranked in the world's top 100 for research and teaching. Secondly, the University of Bristol has world-class expertise in composites, which gives us access to world-leading academics and researchers, unique resources, and emerging talent.
Working with a global technology leader like Rolls-Royce gives great context to our low technology readiness level research. Composites are lightweight, strong engineering materials. They are becoming an increasingly important part of the journey towards a low carbon and ultimately a net zero future. Through our wide-ranging interactions in the field of composites, we have also been able to involve colleagues elsewhere in the university that have led to new and exciting projects.
So as a graduate and a researcher from the aerospace department and working with the composites material, one of the main motivations for me is always how to apply my knowledge, my research and my ideas into some real application and to make some real impact to the aerospace industry. And this partnership is definitely an excellent opportunity for me to convert some of my forefront fundamental research, and it allows me to understand how to shape the role of composites material in the aero industry.
I've had a number of projects historically and currently with Rolls-Royce. Our research focuses on extreme environments, and two of the most extreme environments you can expose a material to are the high temperatures and stresses within an aircraft in flight, and the high temperatures, chemical environments and radiation that's experienced within a nuclear reactor. Working with an industry partner like Rolls-Royce is really important for us because many of the most important challenges that we are trying to understand in material science are those that are experienced in extreme conditions. Without an industry partner that has an application in that area, it's actually really difficult for us to get the right types of materials to test those problems.
Our research as engineers is always ultimately motivated by the needs of industry. So for a company like Rolls-Royce, the type of research we do in NDE, or non-destructive evaluation, is all about reducing inspection costs, increasing productivity, increasing the level of automation. The benefits to us of working with a partner like Rolls-Royce is it gives us as academics direct exposure to real industrial problems, so we know that our research has the potential to address a real issue.
We work with Rolls-Royce on various aspects of their program, but I guess the most common thread between all of them is digital engineering. I think one of the things that we have witnessed in the past few years is how we can use modeling to predict the future. Now what we are trying to do is to pull all together the various aspects of modeling, digital thread through their various components, how we manufacture things, how we operate things, and how we can use things to their maximum ability.
So I've been doing research with Rolls-Royce for several years now. We have a project running with them called Asimov, and this project is looking into how we can design next generation gas turbine engines, so these are jet engines, and how we can do that more in simulation on computers. By doing this, hopefully what we can do is design engines that are more energy efficient, more fuel efficient, will produce lower carbon emissions. They might be able to try all sorts of ideas that may not have been possible in the real world.
I think the partnership with Bristol is so strong because of the excellent working relationship and the close collaboration that we have. A really excellent interaction between the researchers at the university and our engineers at all levels across the business.
The partnership with Rolls-Royce has grown and is growing. So we're now moving into advanced engineering design, data and digitalization, artificial intelligence, the nuclear sector, many places where the university and Rolls-Royce can work together to tackle those real-world challenges. And through that we can make societal, economic and environmental benefits in the real world.